It's the Weather Xtreme video, the morning edition for Thursday, August 27th. I'm James Spann. We stay dry through tomorrow. We'll bring back the chance of scattered showers and storms this weekend. And, of course, eyes are on Tropical Storm Erika getting stronger this morning. Check it out. A very dry air mass in place over much of the eastern U.S. with a trough, and, man, it feels good. How about 54 in Cullman to start the day? Fort Payne, 55. Birmingham at 61. We'll expect mid-80s today. Convective outlook, obviously no problems here. A marginal risk for parts of the nation's midsection. Here's the rain for the next 5 days, valid through Tuesday morning. Rain amounts under 1/2 inch for Alabama. The higher totals on the eastern side of the state, and the really big numbers just off the South Atlantic coast with what is now Tropical Storm Erika. System this morning is coming through the Leeward Islands. Better organization, and accordingly, wind estimates are higher. Maximum sustained winds estimated now at 50 miles per hour. The system moving towards the west at 16. Check the tropical models. They adjusted to the right yesterday, most of them showing the center staying just off the east coast of Florida, and then maybe making a move up toward the Carolinas. Here's a look at the ensembles from the GFS. The mean, it's the black squares, and again, you can see that thing just off the Florida Atlantic coast, and then a sharp turn back to the east without making landfall on the coast of the Carolinas. You got some members that do that, a few that bring it over to Florida. There's still uncertainty here. I think everybody knows that watches these videos. Intensity guidance. Just about all the models bring this thing up to hurricane strength. In fact, you see a few bring it up to major hurricane strength. Category 3 in 84 hours. This thing gets close to the Gulf Stream. That is not out of the question. Here's the official track from the Hurricane Center. Stays a tropical storm over the weekend coming across the Bahamas, then becomes a hurricane just east of Miami late Sunday night, then beginning that northward turn during the day Monday. And again, the cone of uncertainty, of course, includes almost all of the Florida Peninsula. And this track can and probably will change. And obviously, everybody in Florida needs to watch this carefully. Confidence is high, and I would say very high. This will not be a Gulf of Mexico storm, and then the fact that it will not affect Alabama will be on the dry side of this thing. But again, we'll watch it very carefully. Hey, model fans, here we go. The GFS, the 06Z run, valid today at 1 o'clock local time at 500 millibars, troughing over the east. And again, a beautiful day. Sunny with mid-80s today. The humidity stays low. Tomorrow, we could be approaching 90. We haven't hit 90 in like 12 days. It's been a long time. And moisture levels are increasing. We're leaving it dry, though. We'll call it partly to mostly sunny. I guess a shower might pop up somewhere, but that would most likely be over southeast Alabama. Saturday, as the weekend begins, moisture deepens, and yes, we will have a chance of scattered showers and storms with a mix of sun and clouds. Highs maybe low to mid-80s again with the increase in clouds. And the same thing on Sunday, a pretty moist air mass in place. Scattered showers and storms, cloudy periods. The GFS showing a high only of 83 now on Sunday. And, of course, we can see Erika there, and this is Sunday at 1 o'clock on this operational GFS coming through the Bahamas. Monday, Erika just off the South Florida coast, pretty close to Fort Lauderdale, West Palm Beach. And for us, it looks fairly dry on Monday. And if Erika is a hurricane, we could be in the subsidence ring where sinking air is in place over us, and that would prevent showers from forming. Thought we'd check the European just for the fun of it Monday. It's pretty close to the GFS in terms of the location of Erika. And again, we look pretty dry. Here's Tuesday, back to the GFS. Erika just east of Jacksonville, Florida. We're mostly dry, any showers isolated. And Wednesday, the GFS brings Erika up into Charleston. And understand, this is no forecast. This is model output. There is no skill in identifying the position of a tropical system like this far in advance. Very little. That's just model output. It could happen. It might swing east, not touch the United States. We just don't know that yet. And a week from today, look at the big ridge over eastern Canada. troughing over the western part of the continent, and we've got this broad upper low down here. And if that's right, again, there could be a few scattered showers, and what's left of Erika would be inland on the border of North and South Carolina. Check the end of the forecast, September 5th. Pretty much the same deal. Big ridge over eastern Canada, trough over the western part of the continent. And again, for us, that looks pretty quiet. I think we can safely say the worst of the summer heat is behind us. As we get into September next week, you can see highs upper 80s to near 90, lows mostly in the 60s. And, of course, we kick off meteorological fall on Tuesday. Just sounds cooler saying that. Feels cooler. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can, catch us this evening on the live stream or on television at ABC 3340, 4, 5, and 6, and 10 o'clock. And again, hope to see you there. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.